looks like maybe another 20-incher. Nope, maybe 19. Everything in the mouth. There's a couple. A beautiful couple. Very, very healthy.
How's it going?
Oh, pretty good.
Looks like it's going good.
Yeah. Keeps me busy. Yep.
Wow. Where do you want me to stay out of? Is your...
I'm just heading out that way to the... Just let me... Come on, buddy. There we go.
You're not fishing right here?
No, I was fishing. I got 2 of them already.
Okay. Do you want me to stay around? Go around?
No, you can go across. I'm gonna head out over there.
Okay.
I came in. There's a shortcut for me.
Okay.
I'm just shooting some video. That's all. I'm just getting tired, so.
I'm getting tired from reeling in fish.
Yep. Yep. You can watch my video. Okay, next target. Dang wind. Got him. 2 in a row. I did it earlier, about an hour and a half ago. Dang. It's not the big as the last 21-incher. This guy hasn't been hooked for a long time. All quality fish except the one at the cable hole. Yes sir, 1 fly. One dry fly. Hour and a half. At least a 13 or 14. The water's clear. I'll probably cut at least 3, 4, 5 more. Can target it right now. I don't see the water murky. So, come on, turn. Pull it too hard. Hey, still got him in the net. Perfect. Thank you, fish. I don't do that often. Hang on, buddy. I'll let you go. Quick picture, I'll let you go. home there, buddy. There she goes. Man, that guy got snagged so many places there. I just hate these people. Come over here snagging the fish. Got him. I was turning my head, look down. Good fish. Good 20-incher here. At least 19. Oh yeah, definitely 20-incher here. FYI, I've been using one fly. Still got at least a dozen. About an hour, 15 minutes or so fishing. Yeah, definitely over 20-incher here. See, my net circumference is 18.5 inches to 19.